Looky what we have. We have a brand new, so I lift it up and start to destroy it. We have a brand new factory dash for our Porsche 924S that we are going to be installing. Look how beautiful. This is not new old stock. This is literally a brand new dash that we've got for this one. Okay, a little bit ahead of myself here. We'll start working on getting this dash out of here. I got the steering wheel off already. Relatively easy to do, just take the horn off. Car sold, made out of an titanium. I took the 2 screws out of here to take this apart. These are stuck, radio's stuck. Just don't feel like messing with it. So I'm gonna dig in. I got the two screws out of the gauge cluster. I'm gonna try to get the gauge cluster out of here and just start taking this dash apart little by little so I can get the factory one in here. So I'm working on it. All right, just a little bit of a hint here. When you get in here, you gotta take the steering cowling off. There's 2 screws on the bottom. Take the bottom part out, top part slides off, and then go ahead and take out your left, right turn signal, your bright indicators. There's 3 plugs on there. Take them out, and then reach up, take the gauges out. Gauge on the right, your tach. It comes out pretty easy. Then the speedometer has got a little twist on the back of that. Take that off, and then unplug your, I forget what's on the left side. Whatever it is on the left side, it all comes out pretty easy. I didn't label anything. I'm putting this back together tomorrow. Mother got that out. And then I started taking all the screws out of the bottom, all the way around, and I did go ahead and take out my gauges and controls. By the way, this little thing right here was a pain in the neck to get out. It had to find a right bit. So we're back in here. You're gonna have to take out the A-pillars on the bottom. I didn't take everything apart like it shows. I just kind of pulled them out of the way. There are two screws in the top on each side, or 1 screw on the top each side, 1 screw on the bottom each side. Once you get those out, there is a bolt on the driver's side down by your right knee that you got to get in there. It's a 10 millimeter. It's a pain in the neck to get out of there. And then this thing will kind of wedge out of the way, and you'll see it in the next one. Now, pro tip, take the center console out. I didn't take the center console out here, and I've been cracking the heck out of it on the top. You'll see it in the next video here. Here I'm just getting the all the stuff out of the way so it's easier. I took the sunshades out because I've got the metal clip ones that I got from one of the online stores that didn't sponsor this, so I won't say them. But I'm going to put those back in place. So I just pulled those out of the way just to be out of my way here. And I'm digging into this thing little by little, trying to get that bolt out of the back there. It's a pain in the neck. I finally got my son over there on one side. There's 2 other bolts in the back I took out that I didn't need to take out. And then we just start pushing this thing up and over. If we'd have taken the center console out, it would have pulled right out, just FYI. Don't forget about your bolt right there in the center where the speaker hole is, right below there where I just took that mount out. But pretty easy. Once we got it all disconnected, we pulled it out and it came out, and now I'm in here vacuuming up, cleaning out everything, and pretty easy. Some of my screws were pretty rotten and rusty. I had to get the Dremel tool in there on the side, as you saw me, just cutting a notch in it so I get out the flathead screwdriver. But not a hard job to do, and my son and I were bitching at it the whole time, but we got it done. Here, put the car away.